The historic vote took place in a high-security compound within Mogadishu's fortified international airport. Somalia's 329 MPs and senators gathered to elect a president for their unstable state. In the first round, outgoing President Hassan Mahmoud held a slight lead over Mohamed Abdullahi Farmajo in a crowded field of 21 candidates. But Farmajo held a clear lead after the second round among the two candidates remaining, forcing Mahmoud to concede defeat.
History was made. We have taken this path to democracy. And now I want to congratulate Mohamed Abdullahi Farmajo.
With President Mahmoud's mandate already expired, the new president was quickly sworn in.
This victory belongs to the Somali people. This is the beginning of the era of unity, the democracy of Somalia, and the beginning of the fight against corruption.
Thousands of cheering Somalis quickly took to the streets of the capital in jubilation, chanting the new president's name. Cheering soldiers fired into the air. Critics say the election, the most extensive democratic exercise for decades, has encouraged corruption, partly fueled by Middle Eastern and regional powers seeking to secure victory for candidates seen as favorable to their interests. Members of parliament, however, say the election results and change in leadership vindicates the process.
The future of Somalia is very bright, and inshallah I'm hoping that, as I believe, it's how people will see it as well, and they see the change as much as I see it, and it's going to come, and so we'll be making Somalia great again.
Somalia's new president is facing huge challenges, key among them rebuilding the collapsed state institutions and a national army that has the capacity to fight Al-Shabaab fighters. He also has to deal with the massive poverty in the country. Farmajo holds dual Somali-US citizenship. He holds degrees from the State University of New York in Buffalo and was Prime Minister for 8 months before leaving the post in 2011. Mohamed Ado, Al Jazeera, Mogadishu, Somalia.